Hello everyone, in this video we will solve liquid problem number 242 valid anagram. So let's start. The question says given two string S and T. Return true if T is an anagram of S and false otherwise. So let's understand what's anagram. So anagram number is two string are anagram if they contain exactly the same character with the same frequency. The order of the character is doesn't matter. For example, the anagram and the second string nagaram have the same letter. The arrangement is different, but every character of first string and second string is equal. That's why the answer is true. And the second example, the first string have red and second has car, and the T character is T and C character is different between two string, so its answer is false. So our goal is simple, verify whether both string have identical character counts. So now let's write the solution. First, this function will return true or false depending on whether still string are anagrams. So we will use an unordered map to store character uh, frequency. So I take unordered map. First is a string and the frequency is count integer type. Now we traverse the first string and increase the frequency. So character C. So now increase the frequency. And now we traverse the second string and decrease the frequency. Mm, if both string contains the same character, all frequency should eventually become zero. And now we check every character stored inside the map. So I take a for loop. And if any frequency is not zero, it means the string are different. So we return false. So first I check. We return false. Otherwise, all frequency balance. So which means the string are anagram. So I return true. And now run the code. The code is working. So think about it this way. Uh, every character added from the first string increase the count, and every matching character from the second string decrease that count. And in this condition, if both string contain exactly the same character, all count become 0, and that exactly we are checking. So I return true and check the anagram number. So I submit the code. And our code is submitted. So let's talk about the complexity. So we traverse both string one time. So the time complexity is O of n, and because we are storing character frequency inside a hash map, the space complexity is O of n. And that's the complete solution of our LeetCode problem valid anagram 242. Thank you for watching the video.